Wondering how long professional movers will take to pack your home? For many households, the answer is faster than you might expect. A professional packing crew can often pack an average home in about 1 day. A studio or one-bedroom apartment may take just a few hours, while a large or heavily furnished home may need 1 to 2 days or longer. The biggest factor is not just the number of bedrooms, it's how much you own. A 3-bedroom house, for example, can often be packed in about 1 day, but if you have a lot of kitchenware, fragile items, packed closets, a garage, attic, basement, or specialty belongings, the job may take longer. Crew size matters too. More packers can usually complete the job faster. Full-service packing may include boxes and packing materials, wrapping and cushioning belongings, packing dishes and fragile items, labeling boxes, and preparing certain items for transport. If you're packing yourself, expect the process to take much longer. Most people spread DIY packing over several days or even a few weeks because they are also managing work, family, and everyday responsibilities. A good approach is to start 4 to 6 weeks before moving day with decluttering and rarely used items. Then gradually pack non-essential rooms, leaving daily necessities for the final few days. Can movers pack and move you on the same day? Sometimes. It may work for a small apartment or local move, but larger homes often need packing scheduled before moving day. The key takeaway is simple. Professional packing can save a lot of time, but the exact timeline depends on your belongings, crew size, and how prepared your home is. Before booking, ask how many packers will be assigned, what the service includes, and how long they expect your specific home to take. Want more expert moving tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.